Good day, legends. Are you a skilled boilermaker, fabricator, or welder looking for an exciting opportunity? Well, you're in luck. Engineering Thai Limited in Eagle Farm, Brisbane, is on the lookout for talented individuals like you to join their dynamic team. So, who are they? Engineering is a problem-solving engineering company that specializes in designing, fabricating, and automating. They're based in a state-of-the-art metal fabrication setting, creating bespoke machinery, plant, and mining equipment for various industries. Plus, they're currently tackling major automation projects. Now, what's in it for you? Well, besides being part of a professional and tidy workshop, you'll get the chance to work on diverse projects, from automation developments to mining and marine projects, not to mention regular fabrication work and plant maintenance. They're all about quality, workmanship, and service, and they pride themselves on maintaining high standards for safety. So, if you're a legend in the trade, they want you on their team. What are they looking for? Bright, energetic, and enthusiastic individuals with a solid background in working with medium stainless steels. You should be highly skilled, with demonstrated experience in welding codes, procedures, and the ability to read drawings. Operating machinery is second nature to you. Forklifts, lathes, welders, brake presses, guillotines, and all those handy hand and power tools. Good communication skills, a current driver's license, and reliable transport are a must. Now, when you apply, they'll ask a few questions. Do you have fabrication experience? Professional welding experience? How many years have you worked as a boilermaker? Are you willing to undergo a pre-employment medical check? And of course, do you have a current Australian driver's license? If you're ready to take your career in engineering and fabrication to the next level, this is the opportunity for you. Apply now and become a part of a great team culture in a modern workshop. Your experience will be rewarded with a competitive package, and the ordinary hours are 40 hours per week from a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Don't miss out on this chance to join the legends at Engineering. Apply today. See you in the workshop. Apply now. Visit hswseek.com.au/job/71467797/apply.